at some point in our lives. And we as Toastmasters can also benefit from anticipating and preventing problems. In this business environment, it's increasingly important to be cost effective. Please join me and give me a warm welcome to John Schneyer. Problem prevention to reduce costs. Problem prevention to reduce costs. John Schneyer.
Good evening. This is a great time for me to be giving this speech concerning what happened when I got here tonight and as the meeting started to unfold in our preparation. Toastmaster Adler, fellow Toastmasters, and most welcome guests. Mark Twain once said, "I have never let my schooling interfere with my education." There are a few things that I've learned, but I didn't pick up in school. A stitch in time saves 9. An apple today will keep the doctor away. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. In today's economy, companies are increasingly looking at their costs. Many companies have cut jobs because that's a very easy, fast way of reducing costs. But when you've eliminated all the easy things, what do you do next? The 3 parables I use are examples of preventive thinking. So I want to talk to you tonight about doing what's known as potential problem analysis. Potential problems have likely causes. When they occur, they also have effects. We can choose to take actions against the likely causes. Those actions are called preventive actions. We can also choose to take actions against the effects. Those actions are known as contingent actions. Preventive actions happen before a problem occurs. They are intended to reduce the likelihood that the potential problem will occur. Contingent actions, on the other hand, kick in after the problem has occurred. Their intent is to lower the impact or the seriousness of the problem once it has occurred. There are some basic steps for doing a potential problem analysis. It's really pretty simple if you allow yourself the time to do it. Firstly, we identify potential problems. 2 steps to that. First, we need to decide what action are we looking to protect. That helps us focus our attention. Then we determine what kind of things could go wrong. Those are potential problems that we're looking for. Having done that, we ask ourselves, for each of these potential problems, what are the likely causes of that problem? And we list them down. Next step, take preventive action. It's not planning, it's taking. Do the things. Once you're done on the preventive side, look at the contingent side. If this problem happens, assume it will, what actions will we take to reduce the impact, the severity of the problem? Those are the basic steps in doing potential problem analysis. Let me give you an example. The action I want to protect is delivering speech number 8. Get comfortable with visual aids to the Toastmasters. That's the speech I'm giving you right now. There are all sorts of things that could go wrong in giving a speech to Toastmasters. Those of you who are here early know what I'm talking There are some potential problems that could occur around giving that action. If it stays right, especially if I remove probably something. The computer, which is what I intended to use tonight, might fail. And the projector, to take the image from the computer and put it up on the screen, might not work in this environment. And indeed, it didn't. We'll focus on one of the likely causes of the projector doesn't work well. Just think what's happened before, what kind of things could go wrong. Well, the bulb could burn out in mid-presentation. That would end my presentation pretty much. The lighting in the room, if we have a light right above this screen, could be too bright to project. Our projectors are high power. I might be unfamiliar with how to use it, and indeed I was, because this is the first time I've seen that. There could be a power failure to the room. South Florida, thunderstorms, that can happen. There's certainly other things that can happen as well. We listed some of the things that could go wrong. We're going to take action. Well, thanks to Tim Adler, he got here early, was able to test the projector. We decided not going to use it. It would be too much of a problem. Spend some time understanding how to use it, and maybe at another time when we have a little more time and the room is set up differently. That'll work for us. And I could adjust the room lighting. Now, have we used the computer? Right now, you would see a screen that said, "System failure. Please reboot." And that's when I would kick in my contingency plan. This slide was intended to be the only part of my contingency plan. As it turns out, it's a good thing I brought slides, transparencies for all my slides, because I needed to use them. I was hoping to make an example of what I'm teaching you tonight. So, this is what I did. I used my transparency. Now, what I want you to do tomorrow, go to work. Look at your calendar. What are the most important things coming up? Do potential problem analysis around that. When you get in trouble, call me. Don't be afraid to talk to my answering machine. Postmaster Adler.